It's time for Tyler's Tip of the Day.
Well, greetings everyone, and you've come to the right place if you're looking for the solution on how to make the message box larger in Messenger. So let's just say for instance you go here and you click up here on your Messenger, and once you have something from someone, you come down here, click on this person, and what happens is you have this very tiny little space here to type in where you can't see but a couple of words. And so what you need to do is come straight up here, click on this arrow right here, and then you'll see this, Open in Messenger. Click on that, and now you've got this area down here to type in. So that is the solution. I hope that helps you out. Thanks for checking this out, and come give me a subscription on Spotify or any other music platform you use, and I'd appreciate it. You'll hear a lot of my tunes. If you want to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up and a like and share it with your friends. And again, I appreciate that. Bye-bye.
It's time for Tyler's